How to clean ceramic or porcelain tile floors. Dear friends, ceramic or porcelain tiles are popular flooring options because of their durability. But just like other tiles, they need cleaning and care. Here is the process of how to clean these tile floors. Step 1. Remove loose debris. Vacuum or sweep the tile floor to remove debris. Ceramic or porcelain tiles may not attract dirt, but grit and sand can make the glazed surfaces unpleasant and uncomfortable. Step 2. Select the right mop for cleaning. Porcelain floors should be cleaned using clean water and mild detergent. One should also use a rag or a chamois type mop instead of a sponge mop. Rags are the best for cleaning because they remove dirty water from the grout lines and leave the floor almost dry immediately. As you clean, ensure you change water frequently to avoid ending up with a cloudy floor. Step 3. Keep watch of flooring stains. Once you finish cleaning, look around for any discoloration on the floor and determine the cause of the stain. Consider the appropriate cleaner for the identified stain. Step 4. Remove soap residue. If you notice haziness on the floor after cleaning, the next step is to remove the soapy residue. Use a non-abrasive all-purpose cleaner to remove the film. Alternatively, use a homemade cleaner with a mild acid like fresh lemon juice to remove soapy residue on the porcelain flooring. Step 5. Dry the tiles. If ceramic or porcelain flooring tiles air dry, the lying water might form water spots. This should be avoided by using a clean, lint-free cloth to dry the floor once cleaning is done. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.